How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. So I just got a notification on my phone that we got mail. So let's go check this out and see what we got. I recently had a company reach out to me and say that they wanted me to try some of their product for them. So it's one of those situations I couldn't say no. And I think it's got sent, so let's check it out. Ooh, baby. Let's go. Alrighty. Let's go in and do an unboxing and tell you guys what we got going on here. Let's do it. All right, we are currently in the daily, which, as you know, has to be a Toyota. So that's just kind of no-brainer, but let's go ahead and dive into this, do an unboxing with you guys, show you exactly what we got in the package, and kind of give you guys a little bit of a rundown on what's going on, because I do not have a LED sponsor on the channel yet. There was about 4 or 5 different companies I was talking to, and well, AUXITO, sorry if my voice seems a little raspy or a little gone. I have been sick for the past 2.5 weeks. The weather changing and just, you know, trying my best to put myself in really weird situations as far as weather goes, to work on the car, a bunch of other stuff. So I got hit with the bug, but we are coming out of it now, so that's awesome. So sorry for all of the gap in videos. Honestly, my health comes first, because if I'm not healthy, then you guys don't get good videos. Also, want to welcome all of you guys that have subscribed. Thank you guys so much for joining the Ohana. We appreciate that. In the next video, I'm gonna do an update video on all the cars, because all of you guys are new to the channel. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos on all my project cars, I wanna go over that. But first, let's get into this real quick and show you guys what we got going on. And let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, so as soon as you open it up, you get this very nice packaging. If you open this up, it'll tell you the contents of the packaging and basically show you exactly how to install the product. It's the manual with all of your consumer goods. Very, very cool. The most important part is we have the bulbs. So these ones are the H11, H8, and H16 style LED bulb. I believe these are the golden yellow, which is the 3000K on the box right here. It's gonna show you all of the options you have, and then they're going to actually fill in the options that these bulbs are, so that when you get them, you know exactly what you got. So a lot of people get confused with the color, because as you can see, there is a 3000K and then there is a 6500K. Basically, the way that the coloring goes, I'll put a chart up on screen. Anything less than 4000 is going to be a golden yellow. Anything around the 55 to 7000K is going to be a white, like a bright white. And then when you start going into 8000s, that's where you get the blue. So we have the bright yellows, because these are fog lights. I want them to be able to get through the snow, because we do have snow up here in Reno. These are really cool. I really like the build quality already. You can see that on here on the base, they have nice vents for air to be able to graze past them. LEDs do not give off a lot of heat. They are actually engineered not to give off a lot of heat, and they're also engineered to run off a very low resistance. They are a lot better for your vehicle, and they never burn out, which is definitely the top reason why anyone should always go LED. And they're a really good upgrade that's plug and play, won't void any warranties, all of those good things. So this is going to be your standard bulb that's going to be in the vehicle already. As you can see up here, this one says H16. So once you take your bulb out, you'll be able to find out which bulb style you have, and taking them out is very simple. As far as the comparison on both sides from the LED to the halogen, basically the same height when you line up the base plate with the rubbers. The rubber seal is very important, and do not rip these at all or try to modify them to install them. You shouldn't have to do any of that, because what this seal is going to do is it's going to make sure to keep out any moisture, keep out any mud, dirt, whatever it may be that tries to get in the back of the housing. So this rubber piece is very vital. So the base of it, as you can see, there is a little bit of a difference as far as the height goes. However, that's because the LED in here has all the circuit boards and all the internals to make the LED work, and it just is a very stout piece. So let's go ahead and install this. So I have already taken these clips off. There's a couple clips. There's one right here, and right here. This is going to be a 2021 Toyota Rav4. So if you are installing these on this vehicle, this is all you have to do. So you're going to have to just take this fender liner off. This fender liner is very simple and easy to stretch to the right, and that hole right there is where the light's going to go. So you're going to take the light, you're going to put it in there, you're going to line it up, you're going to twist, make sure it doesn't come out at all. Take the clip and clip it in, and you are done. That's as easy as it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side because it's very simple. Same process, take the clips out. I prefer to turn the wheel this way all the way to lock, just so that it is as easy as possible to access into there. So go ahead and do it on the other side, and we will show you exactly how these lights are going to look. So here is the front of the vehicle. As you can see, these bulbs are very dim. You can't really see them very well at night. And at night when you're cutting into the fog, they're decent, they're not terrible. The only problem that I have with these halogens is that when you're driving long periods of time, the halogens will burn up because they are kind of like a light bulb, where they're just going to be very hot, and encapsulated in this little assembly, they are going to not get too hot, but they will go out over time. The problem is, if any moisture gets into these assemblies, that moisture will go ahead and basically make it like a sauna. And when that happens, these bulbs will pretty much go out. They're just going to either blow out, crack out, and then you have to replace them. You can go ahead and replace them with a stronger bulb, but honestly, going LEDs is a lot cheaper of an option, which is what a lot of people do. So both sides are halogen, and this is one of the easiest ways to upgrade that will not void any kind of warranty on a brand new car, and it will be a night and day difference. This is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. So unfortunately, because it's daylight, it doesn't look much of a difference. Actually, so dirty these are now, my goodness. They are so much brighter. Actually, they're so bright that you can actually see all of the dirt on the lenses, and I had to wipe it off. I'll show you the other side. Oh yeah, so you can see how dirty the lenses are now because of how bright the LED is. I'm gonna go ahead and use my jacket to clean them, and you can definitely tell that they're a lot cleaner now. So you couldn't tell that the assembly lens was dirty because that's how dim the halogen was. But now we have both of the LEDs in, and my gosh guys, such an easy install on both sides. The beautiful thing about this install though, guys, is that it is the cheapest and the best modification that you can do to any brand new car and not void the warranty. Because, well, it's not a performance upgrade like an engine intake. It's not a noticeable difference where you turn your car on and you can hear the exhaust rasp a little bit more. I'm very, very happy with the product. Thank you, AUXITO, for sending these out to me to try out, because I do not have a LED bulb sponsor for the channel at the moment, but that might be changing very soon. So if you guys would like to, in the description below, if you guys would like to get some AUXITO lights for yourself for any vehicle you'd like, then I would highly recommend going on their website and getting some. I will put my discount coupon code on screen so you guys can take advantage of that. And again, thank you, AUXITO, for sending these out to me. If you do not find the model of your vehicle, don't worry. All you have to do is go out to your vehicle, take out the bulb, and look at the code on the back side of the bulb like we did previously in this video, and we went ahead and ordered H16s. Unfortunately, a lot of websites nowadays will not have the full spectrum of every single vehicle that is out there. However, they do carry every single bulb model that is out there. And there is a right way to install LED high, low beam bulbs. So please go watch a video, get educated, because the last thing you want to do is install low and high, low and high. But the last thing you want to do is install LED bulbs that are low and high, install them incorrectly, because what's going to happen more than likely is the high is going to be on the low and the low is going to be high. As soon as you turn your headlights on, you're not going to see anything at all. You're going to be like, this is crap, this is the terrible product. And then as soon as you flick on the high beams, the entire front end of your car is going to go blind, because the high beam bulb diode is pointing down in your housing and it is just shooting straight up, and you're basically going to be blind yourself. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing a update for you guys next time, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to come back on to the channel and say how's it, because it's been a while and I miss you guys. I miss being able to show you guys all of these cool things. And like I said, AUXITO, I appreciate it. I will be doing a little bit of a review coming up. Unfortunately, I can't really show you how it was before, but let me tell you, it wasn't good. It was not good at all. And I'm not saying that because AUXITO sent these out to me and I'm trying to be biased towards them. No, halogens are not the best when it comes to fog lights. And let me tell you guys, it just looks so JDM now. It looks like a Civic Si or something like that. They just look so sick, and I cannot wait to show you guys how these go after a few months. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't liked this video already, go ahead and slam that like button. I appreciate that. Subscribe for more content, join the Ohana, and comment down below what the best LED grade you had on your car, whether it was headlights, fog lights, if you're off-roader, if you had pod lights, if you had an LED bar, if you did turn signals, which if you did turn signals and got them not to hyper flash, respect, a lot of respect for you on that. So thank you guys so much for watching, appreciate that. I know it was a shorter video, but I wanted to make sure this got out to you guys so you guys could enjoy this little install video we have. And also, if you guys have a newer generation Toyota Rav4, let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the new Gazoo Racing Rav4 that they just came out with in Europe and in Japan. I know we're not going to get it here in the United States, unfortunately. However, you know what, we'll get something less cool, but there's still going to be cool options you can do. So don't worry about that, guys. The all-wheel drive system in the Rav4 is one that I cannot wait to try out, because unfortunately this one is a front-wheel drive one, because I just needed a daily to get by, and this thing was not very expensive, and I'm a broke mechanic with a bunch of project cars, as you can see behind me. So I needed something that was good on gas, not too bad on the wallet, and something that was reliable, because that's the most important thing. So thanks guys again for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Till then, and never forget guys, always stay positive and stay true to who you are. Till next time, shoots!
Search everything.